Hello all. I want to explore one simple example of vehicle mobility using Sumo software and run the mobility in ns3 software. So I have installed both the Sumo and ns3 softwares in this machine. So first I need to go to Sumo folder. So in Sumo folder, I need to go to tools. Here I'm trying to use OSM. OSM is Open Street Map Web Wizard. So when I enter in this, I observe that one window will open with the asking for the say uh, map. From this map I will try to generate one scenario. This scenario will try to generate the real world map. So by default it will be with Berlin. So let me change to some other place, just like say Hubli. So in here I will try to select one particular place with a smaller region. Bigger the region, it will be difficult in order to say um, the time taken for execution will be more. So I'm taking a small area. Uh, I will try to take the multiple cars and I will try to find out, or I will just want to increase number of vehicles. So maybe trucks maybe 40 or some. I will try also include some buses, say some 30 buses, motorcycles around about 40 in different ways. Say I will take more. So I will include some bicycles, maybe some 15 or any other matter. Then I will also include some pedestrians path and say generate scenario. The moment I generate the scenario here, I will observe the executions in my command prompt, and automatically Sumo simulator pops up like this. So when I try to run with the same uh, delay, my this is the real map and this is my delay time. With the delay time, if I take to 20, I can never find the vehicles moving. So I will try to find out my increase the delay with 500 so I can observe some vehicles moving slowly. The traffic analysis and all the traffic signaling and all the traffic uh, flow, everything is written in Sumo file or Sumo software. Here in this Sumo software, different XML files will be generated based on each type of vehicle. So if I have selected all the types of vehicles like bicycles or the motorcycles or truck or buses. So based on the type of bus, one XML file is generated. So I will run this simulation for 200 seconds. In my simulation time or generating scenario, I have given the time as 200 seconds. So there are various steps to execute this. Once I execute all these say or once I create all the different xml files, I will create one trace.xml file which will club in all the files of various all the vehicles into one specific file. And the purpose of generating the trace file and mobility file is to to run through the um, ns3 software. So once I stop this, in my command prompt I will say control C, and When I look into the various folders, I will see that based on the specific time in simulation running, one specific folder is created. So, sorry. Uh, so in this, I will observe various files generating. So I have to import these, say, I have to import these uh, files and create one trace.xml file like this. So um, the time taken is very less based on the simulation time and number of vehicles. So after this, I need to create one trace file I have created. Also, I need to create one mobility file. So these two files are required to run in ns3 software. So once I need to rename accordingly. So once I do that, I need to execute this in the tools, because Python trace exporter is in the tools. So this is done. When these two are done, I need to find out how many nodes are there. So in ns3 software I have only nodes, I don't have vehicles. So now vehicles in sumo software will act as node. So I will convert the number of nodes to number, I mean I will convert vehicles to nodes. So nodes in the ns3 and vehicles in sumo, so I will consider transform the vehicles to nodes, so that I need to know number of nodes. So I'll pause this video and come back and continue the next video.